Hey everybody, this is Little Harley with Bonehead Assassins. We just got here to the motel in Jerseyville. And I don't know what happened, but there's no cars at all here, at all. I'll look at there's not even an employee's cars. I don't know if this motel is even open. This is strange. There might be something going on that I don't know about. That place over there is nothing. This parking lot's totally empty. Well, I'll let you know if something's up here in a second. Might have to call 911. Okay, here's the back parking lot. They were open. There's no corn this year. They did beans. That's good. I remember last year the camera girl couldn't see over the corn. Remember?
Hilarious.
Remember that?
Can't hardly ever see over corn because I'm short.
I don't know. Those beans might be too tall for you.
Ha ha, you are hilarious. Is this good?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oops. Look at that. Man, I can't focus. There you go. There you go. Pigeon's drinking. Let's see. Anything on that side yet? It's hard to get footage of that. Oh yeah, you go back there too, you can see them. They're drinking, guys. Okay, we're loading up on this top one now, or the middle one. That cap's covering it, but there's one drinking out of it already. About over there. I already pushed all the cages in. Oh, there you go. Cool. A little bit less room here, but you can see them sticking their heads through there. Thirsty birds. Over there. Oh, down there's getting his, Evan's washing his tail. And there's got a dirty tail on the way over. And I kind of feel a little creepy doing this, like I'm spying on them. Hi, how you doing?
Not too bad myself. Thanks for asking. What can I get for you?
Let me see here. We have a craving pack. What is that? What box they got? Oh. Is the nachos box the only $5 box you have?
Yep.
Oh.
That's what has other things, and that's $10
Okay, I'll just
for
pass. I'm going to go to McDonald's.
All right.
Hey, here are your sandwiches. I'm getting your fries now.
Okay.
Is the chicken nuggets in there too?
The nuggets in that one? The nuggets, chicken nuggets?
Okay.
Did you hear Taco Bell's going to stop selling the Mexican pizza?
I did not. You're taking a whole bunch of stuff off there, and I'm kind of mad about it. Yeah, Mexican pizza is going to be gone now. Ridiculous.
You don't think you guys can start selling that Mexican pizza, do you?
I mean,
You might.
I wish we would. That would be awesome.
I get 30% discount on it if we do. Thank you.
Yep. All right, here's the room tour. It's a cozy little room here. One bed, so it's nice. What's that? Oh, I thought it was a.
Little patch.
Oh yeah, they did. They are patches.
Mm-hmm.
Well, that's weird.
Apparently, they don't want to toss them when they have holes.
All right. Here's the kitchen. Dining room. Here's the living room. I wonder if that one reclines.
Doesn't look like it.
Here's the bedroom. Ooh, better put that away. I don't know if I'm allowed to have weapons here in Illinois. We're gonna go ahead and sit down and eat. Okay, we're getting ready to release these guys here in about 5 minutes. Here's the old birds. Got 3 crates of them. And fellas. Oopsie. Okay, this here. Got half a crate. Yeah, see these guys.
Okay, there you go.
Okay, I'm gonna release the club or the old birds. I'm gonna release the old birds right now. 6:35 here in Illinois.
What? Got a stubborn one. There we go. Oh. Well. Don't know whose that is, but he's a really stubborn one. Just sitting there in the water thing. Hi, buddy.
Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
You already recording?
Mm-hmm. I just started it.
Alright, here goes the young birds.